Understanding how your pain developed is a critical part to the rehab process. But a lot of times what we find in our active population is that it wasn't a large trauma or a traditional injury like my knee blew out while I was on the soccer field. What we see is that the culmination of incomplete mechanics or movement dysfunction over time can lead to incidents. Incidents are where you're training at your normal capacity, but maybe due to a little lack of mobility in your hip, poor core control, poor sleep, it puts more load on your knee tendon. And now it becomes the squat or the run that breaks the camel's back, and the knee becomes inflamed, and now you're in this injury phase where you have to modify. So if you're dealing with pain or movement dysfunction, but you didn't have a catastrophic injury, don't panic. We can still find the underlying cause, clean up the incomplete mechanics, and build you back up to get back to your sport.